Hi, AJ Hartley here, novelist, Shakespeare professor, model railway enthusiast. So today I am working on my N-scale Japanese railway, but I'm taking a break from landscaping because I wasn't very happy with the way it was coming out. And I'm going to work on wiring my points. Kato point system. These come with a cable that just needs to be plugged in and then hooked to the transformers over here and operated with a control switch. It's a very simple system. It simply means mostly drilling holes and running wires. And since the wires themselves are not going to be quite long enough, particularly for some of these points like over here, over there, to run all the way here, I'll have to splice some wires together under the table and then drill holes to run them out here and make sure that they all connect over here. So that'll give me more fluid use of the system instead of having to constantly reach over. Some of the points are currently wired, but as you can see, the wires are running along the board just to there because they were sort of trial, which means I've got track running on top of the wire, which is not good. Yeah, this is not ideal. And this will hopefully clear all this up. But it's me, so it might not clear it up.
ブラジャーのホックを外す時だけ心の中まで分かった気がした。携帯なんて出なくていい、いつの間にか時間が止まればいい。翌朝君は先に出て行った僕にと鍵へ残して。やっぱり人生に終幕はないんだ。まあまあ夢は叶っている気がする。あれだけどこにもなかったお金も悠々と暮らせる。
お先に失礼します。なるほどです。恐れ入ります。
決めたいのでも決めないの私今少年バカもね少しも損ないたくないもんあげ続けるわ自分の時間
So this is what it looks like now, with 4 new turnout switches installed. The mains cable run through so that it runs under the track, and these wires to the turnout switches also running under the board and to each of the points in turn, so that everything runs efficiently and really well. So everything's working. The only thing that I have to figure out now is how to remember which point does which, because there are a lot of different point controls, and I have to remember also that once a train has gone over the point, I need to switch the point in order to maintain the circuit properly, and I need to maintain on the crossover, make sure that the polarity is in the same direction in each case. If I have one going this way and one going this way, when I throw this point here, it's not gonna work. So, but this is what you call user error. I just have to get used to them. Maybe I'll come up with a numbering system. I'll make a little map here to go with the controls so that I remember exactly which point does which, because it's not in my brain yet. Looking pretty good so far, and on to the next project. So that's it. As ever, please like, comment, subscribe, check out my books, check out my Patreon page. Thanks to my patrons who make this channel possible. Check out my little Dashery store, and I will talk to you soon. Hopefully with progress on the layout. Thanks, bye.